Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you the free internet itself with Stack VPN for Nigeria. So I usually post from other countries like Cameroon. In today's tutorial I'm going to post actually on Nigeria. I'm going to base on them, for so many of them have come in my inbox asking for a trick for internet. So this tutorial I'm going to show them how to get the free internet trick with Stack VPN, the reloaded version of Stack VPN. As you can see, here is it. So let me show you the configuration to do. Let's launch it, and here for the tweak, select custom, click on custom, come here for connection mode and make sure you choose the HTTP. Coming for server port 8080. And for the host header, put MTN pass.ng, that's Niger. Okay, and select the host, then select the header line type for multi-line, and leave this reverse proxy without touching anything. Then for the proxy host, click on that and you insert this. All that will be given in the description. Okay, and proxy port 8080. So we'll come back, we click the connect button. Alright, so we can actually see I'm connected. So the app displays some ads which uses the revenue from the ad to monetize, to get paid for the services they offer. So let's go to the internet, the Chrome browser, come on to google.com, and you can see it is there. So we will come to YouTube, so you can see it passes. So this is how you actually, that's for your free internet. This is a free internet with Nigeria. So subscribe to this channel for more, and don't forget to like and comment on the video. If you have any problem, just hit me up in my inbox. My link will be given in the description for my Telegram channel, so you can subscribe with speed. Isn't that really good, but it's very effective and necessary. So subscribe to my channel for more.